Okay, on slide 3, it's copy 1 is the scale copy. Look, and if you take a look at these angles, like this angle right here, this angle, and this angle, this one gets bigger. Okay, so what do I want you to take away from this? Angles stay the same. Segments increase or decrease. Okay. Slide 4. So you're just going through and you're matching up each one of these. So point P is right here. So in copy 1, it's going to be point F. And over here, it's going to be point Z. So you're just going to type it. Point F. Point Z. Okay. For segment, make sure you spell it out. And then LM is going to be right here. So you know it's going to be right here. And then this one is going to be VW. Okay. For angle KLM, KLM. So copy 1, that's going to be angle ABC. And angle UVW. Okay. So I'm going to let you do the segment, a point, and an angle. Okay. Based on what you just did, tell me what corresponding means to you. Okay. Now, here you only have to pick 2. Okay. Since you're doing this by yourself, I want you to pick A. So I want you to pick A, and then I want you to pick E. So A does not have a right triangle. So it is not a scale copy. See how the check changes? E, if I put a no, it doesn't change. So we know it is a scaled copy. So I'm going to put a Y. Now, this 3, does it match up with the 6 or the 8? It matches up with the 6. Okay, and then you get the 8 and then the 10. So you're looking for sides that match up. Okay. So I think I would pick D. Okay, so D is also a scale copy, but what does 3 match up with? 3 times something is 3 over 2. Well, change this to a fraction. Now you're going to have a fraction in the box. 3 times what is 3? Well, that's 1. 1 times what is 2? Well, that's 2. So it's 1/2. So you're going to multiply everything by 1/2. So 3 lines up with 3/2, 4 lines up with 2, and 5 lines up with 5 over 2. So you would type that in over here in these 3 boxes. Okay. So now you've got to explain how this works. Okay. So here we go. 3 goes to 3. So what are you going to multiply by? Yep, 1. Good job. That one's easy. We're going to skip down to triangle E. So 3 goes to 6. Yep, times 2. So this is a 2. But now we're going to do D and G. So 3 3 times something is 2. So let's change these to a fraction. See if that helps us. No, doesn't really help us. So instead of messing with this to this, let's go up here and do 4 to 8/3. So 4 over 1 times something equals 8/3. This might get us, because look, 4 times 2, and then 1 times 3. So it's 2/3. So this is 2/3. So we're going to use the same kind of deal with triangle D. Okay. Always go and re-watch this so you can see how I did it. Okay. 9, 10, and 11 are just things I want you to read. Because on 12, you're going to write a paragraph about corresponding and scale factor. Okay. And that's the lesson on Desmos.